I say you should just be able to pull.
We don't need anything fancy right now.
Yeah, well, also...
We just needed to get attached before this storm comes through.
We are through.
Yes. Yay!
In the middle.
You know what I was looking for, Christopher?
What's up?
I was looking for a red cord.
Yeah.
We have done a lot to prepare for the coming storm. That list includes installing a conduit, transporting the batteries to their new home and making sure that they're operational, ordering firewood to go with the firewood Will has already chopped, giving the panels a temporary home, and Will cutting even more wood. Well, the storm finally came, and we wanted to give you guys an update. Hey guys, I do not know if you can see it really well, but it started snowing ice here around 5 o'clock. Hold on. Had to close the door. I don't want to let cold air to get in. Around 5 o'clock, and now it's around about 6:30, and we have really big snowflakes. I have not seen snowflakes quite this big in my life. Some of them are a little larger than the size of a nickel. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick update. We are still good, safe here. We have plenty of firewood, and like I said, the generator's ready. Backup solar power batteries are full. Now that's a fire. Wherever you guys are, stay warm out there. Pray God keeps you all safe. Guys, it's really... Guys, it is really snowing here. I don't know if you guys can see that real good, but it's about, what time? It's about 7:30 here now, an hour later, and yeah, we got some good amount of snow. I do mean a good amount of snow. It's having a hard time focusing, I see. There we go. There we go. Yeah, pretty much. It is really... Hold on, let me come over to this side. Yeah, we have a lot of snow. Alright guys, this is an hour later. This is about 7:30. And it's just a nice, steady flow. Just a nice, steady flow. That first layer is definitely ice because it rained ice for about an hour. Okay guys, I'm getting ready to take you outside. I'm not going outside, I'm just gonna stay right here, but just want to show you what it looks like. It's around about, it's a little after 8 in the morning, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like outside. I don't know if you guys can see the snow coming down, but it is literally becoming a blanket of snow. And it's probably been about 10 years since we had snow.
It's a day many people in Atlanta won't soon forget. Everyone tried to get home at once as the snow fell, slush freezing on the roadways and trapping drivers. Kids forced to sleep at schools and drivers abandoning their cars.
It's horrible. Everybody tries to get home and it's a disaster.
The air was so cold that I think forecast models struggled to completely estimate correctly the type of wintry precipitation that was about to happen.
Yeah, probably about 10 years. And pretty much the driveway, yeah, it's, you can't really see it other than that. You can't really see it other than that it's really smooth where the driveway is. That's it, that's pretty much, you know, when you left the driveway somewhat, because like right here, let me see, right here, those are the rocks that we have on each side of the driveway, but they're so smooth now that you just kind of get a line running down on both sides, and then you see the grass kind of sticking up right there. But we're pretty much getting, I don't know, what is that? What is that, about 2, 3, well, that's probably about 3 inches. We've probably got about 3 inches of snow now. And like I said, it started to snow around 6:30. Yeah, it started to snow around 6:30. All right, just giving you guys another update. I don't know if I'll be back on or not, but we'll see. It's a nice snowy day here. Brody, what are you? This is Brody's first snow since he's been alive. He's like, Mom, what is it? What is it? Wow, is he peeing? My dog is peeing on my deck. Wow, like he's never done that. I guess there's a first time for everything. And I mean, he's not peeing a little bit, but he's peeing a lot. Wow, okay, let's give him privacy. Guys, it is ice everywhere. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that. Ooh, and the wind is very, very strong. It's so cold, guys. right now it's just raining ice. It is just raining ice. That's it. Just ice. Are you finished? It doesn't seem to bother him. He's ready to... I don't know, you just... I'm gonna go back in while you're... Oh, okay. Yeah. I told my son the tarp came off the wood, so he's out there trying to put it back on. I think the bungee cord slipped or something.